Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on a 2020 Outback. So finally, the door handle. I know this has to come up for sure. Oh man, fell inside. Alright, there's a T30 over here. Gonna undo that and keep rolling it. And you use pressure, it's a ways. That's how it comes out. The reason why we're taking these out is when we paint the door, I don't want this black, these rubbers right here. Most people don't take these off and they try to taper or just paint over it, and the next couple of years later it starts peeling everywhere. So after that, they come back here, because if it's like the other ones, there's a little yellow strap that holds the come on, baby. Try to take it out so I don't ruin it. Yeah, right here, look. It's a little yellow. That little yellow thing, you see in there? That little yellow thing, it slides, you just pull your finger and pull on it, and it releases the door handle. So out here, the door handle, you just slide out and pull out. Just like that. Some of the models will have like the 3 little bars on here. That's the touring version. So you'll have wiring stuck to it. You don't have to unplug the wiring. But that's it. That's how the handle comes out. And then pull these guys out. So when the car goes to paint, it's done correctly, and we'll put it back together like that. And when I put it back together, I'll go and pull it off the bottom and get that piece out. Thanks for watching the channel today. Subscribe to our channel. I like the comments. If I'm doing something wrong, please let me know. Stay COVID free and have a great day. They're just ripping it over there, huh?
Yeah.